to the VALK Live Workshop on the 22nd of January 2023. Today you get to meet your VALK administration team, Jennifer Kanari, yours truly, and Jazz Mystery. We so very rarely get to see people face to face, so this is really a great way to start the year, especially for us. We so often dwell in the invisible, behind the booth, unseen. But being able to see you, and you, and you, and you, this is a real treat for us. Asante once again for coming. So we want to share the VALK Vision for 2023, which is really captured in our theme for today, which is how to get ahead of the VoiceOver waiting game. So often we are placing our voices on pay-to-play sites or sending our audios to producers and doing an amazing job with marketing so that we can be found. This year we want to continue doing that, strengthen all the areas where you haven't been able to. That is a steady marketplace. And it's important to get your marketing strategy in place, to get your voiceover demos in place. Consider building a home studio so you can be an independent voice artist able to whip things around at your own time. Less cost to you. We want to get you understanding the negotiation process of the business of VO when it comes to sales and the pricing. So all these things will continue to be attended to in our workshops and in all the posts that we share. But our focus this year for 2023 being how to get ahead of the waiting game. One of the things we will be doing is to create awareness about the increasing role that VoiceOver plays in connecting with your customer to the marketplace, particularly in Kenya. The use of voice goes far beyond telephone on hold. It goes beyond IVRs. We're talking about voices in the shopping malls, in the shops themselves. Textbook Center, for example, is doing like a radio station now, sharing music and also talking about new books, for example, or new branches that are opening, advertising their new products, or in the case of a bookshop, advertising new titles. This done with a beautiful voice, male or female, conveys that message in a much more powerful way than if it was done just off the cuff by someone who's not really serious or doesn't understand the nuances of voiceover like we do. Of course, the back end of that for us is that we're actually saying we have a pool of voiceover talent. As that message gains traction out there and begins to get people looking now for the voice talent, ta-da, here we are. We need to have our business mindset on so that when you go and you represent VALK, you do a good job doing it, as well as the performance that you end up giving the client. We'll be rolling out our VALK 2023 calendar, the workshops that will be coming up quarter by quarter. And as usual, we will offer support, validation, resources to help you build your voiceover business, and also share about work-life balance. Also, we want to structure the way we post our voice acting tips from amongst ourselves and also from the international community, to be posting them at the beginning of the week on Mondays and Tuesdays. For sure, not that we cannot post on any other day, but as VALK, we will be posting voiceover performance information and videos and articles. This will be known as VoiceOver Performance Monday. And on Tuesdays, we will focus on Tech Mananus. We want to call that Tech Tuesday, talking about things technical or editing, studios. This includes home studios, how to build them, equipment that you need, where to find them, etc. A reminder that last year was full of workshops that were amazing. Last year we kicked off with a workshop by Wakio Mzenge on creating your character. It was followed by workshops by Ayuma. We had workshops by Cynthia. VoiceOver Africa 2022 dropped on us. We had a workshop on financial trauma that blocks a lot of us when coming to pricing ourselves and the value that we give to ourselves. We launched the VALK Talks and Talked Things Constitution. Do you know that the Constitution protects you? And then we had a hive of activity with back-to-back workshops November and December. So for the Voice Actors League members, these videos remain available to you to watch, rewatch, and implement. And for our friends of VALK, karibuni sana, consider joining the Voice Actors League of Kenya officially, and these videos and other resources become available to you too. Once again, thank you very much. I am Jennifer Kanari. This is Jazz Mystery. And we want to thank you for your continued support. This is a community effort. This is what your VALK membership payment supports.